the suggestion was to put a ball bearing in there. So that's where, so in here you have the detent lives in there, then a spring, then the cap with a seal, seals this up. The spring keeps tension on the detent, so when you put it in gear, the detent falls into a slot on the shaft, holds it in position. So it's been advised to me that I need to put more tension on the spring. Their advice was to find a ball bearing that would fit in there, stick the ball bearing in. So I had success with using a bolt. The reason I use the bolt is I'll trim this down. That shaft goes up inside the spring, so it keeps the spring straight. Detent spring, just taking it out of the gearbox. And the spaces I've made, this one's probably going to be okay because it slides in there without touching the coils. That's too long, so I'll nip that off. Probably cut it down to about there. There you go. Turn this one down. There's about 4mm. So we'll use that as a spare in case we need it. But hopefully the one that's in the car now, it'll do what we need to do.